Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start from here because we already finished over there. Now we'll go from here. Computers in offices. Now, previously you have not submitted this homework. I request everyone to submit this previous homeworks. Otherwise, we will be very late to continue our classes because it is very important to submit all the previous homeworks. I am requesting you. After this, if you don't submit your homework, I will not continue the class chapters. Because after this chapter again, all the questions are coming. So at that time, it will be very burden for you to complete. Okay. Now we'll start from this page, computers in offices. Now previously we have read that computers in media and entertainment, computers in advertising, computers in animations, computers in schools, computers in defense. So in this thing, what you have studied, we have studied that computer is very important and it is very essential for today's day-to-day basis works. Mainly computer in media and entertainment, computers are required in advertising, computers are required in animations, computers are required in schools, computers are required in defense, computers are required in offices. Now again we'll start from here. Computers are used in offices for storing data. It is easier to maintain records in a computer than in bulky paper files or folders. Important information can be communicated to colleagues via computers. Computers are also used to make various presentations and reports. Now here you see, computers are used in offices for storing data. It is easier to maintain records in a computer than in bulky paper files or folders. Important information can be communicated to colleagues via computers. So we can communicate with our colleagues via computer. We can communicate. We can maintain records in the computer than in the bulky paper files, because nowadays all offices and defense category, in army base or school base, in banks, everywhere we are seeing that they are using computers. They are not using files. Previously it was used by it was used as files and all that, but now in every offices computers are important and it is required. Computers are also used to make various presentations and reports. Computers in libraries. Computers are used in libraries to keep records. Now in library, what we see? In library, lot of books are there. A place where all the books are getting is known as also a library. We can get all different kinds of books. Now we don't know particular folder, particular name, but if we find out a particular name in a series of books, can we find all the books? No. But if we search the book, who is charge of the library, you just tell the name and he will find in the computer that the book is available or not, and which file it is there, which folder it is kept. So easily he can find through computer. Now here, computers are used in libraries to keep records of the books issued and returned. A database of all the books available in the library is also maintained on a computer. Now which book you have taken and which book you have returned, this record is also kept by computer. A database of all the books available in the library is also maintained on a computer. Computers in medicine. Computers are widely used in the field of medicine. Computerized equipment are used for medical tests and surgeries in hospitals. Computers are used to maintain medical records. Special computers are installed inside different equipments. They help in monitoring the conditions of the patient and in keeping a record of all the necessary information. Now whenever we have gone to some test for the patients, suppose X-ray, MRI, CT scan, all the different things that we are using different equipments. In that equipments, only you are keeping who is going to be treated. We just sit or we just stand, we just lie down, all the things going continuously. Like that, in everything, in every machines, small supercomputers have installed in them, so that it is very easy to All the things are done by the special computers inside the machines or inside the equipments. That equipments are doing all the processings, and after that we are getting the reports and all that. We may know what is the problem or what is the not. Computer in space technology. A number of satellites linked with computers provide important information from space research. Computers are used to monitor and control space equipments. Now here you see a number of satellites linked with computer provide information. Whatever in the channels also, in TVs also, we are looking a lot of channels from all over the world. So that channels, the television programs are directly helped by the space category, space technology. Now what is space technology? Where all types of satellites are there, and in the satellites everything is operating in different way. So specialists are working through in the space through computer with the space technology to help you to see whatever you want. Understand? Now a number of satellites linked with computer sorry, important information for space research. Computers are used to monitor and control space equipments. Now computers in banks. Computers are used in banks for online inquiry of a customer's account balance, check verifications, updating the account balance, calculating interest, and printing customers' accounts statements, etc. The ATMs enable customers to withdraw money easily without going to the bank. ATMs are connected to the central computer of the bank. Now here you see, computers are used in the bank for online inquiry of the customer accounts balance, check verifications. Means whatever we are doing through the bank, everything is done with the help of computer, like account balance checking, check verifications. We have seen checks, no? Check verifications, updating the account balance. Whenever you are going out, your father and mother is going to the bank, they are telling that updating the account you have to do. Then they are putting the account inside a small printer. This is updating machines. They are putting the passbooks, and it is updating continuously, updating automatically and coming out, calculating interest and printing customer accounts statements, etc. The ATMs, you have seen ATMs. What is the full form of ATMs? Automated teller machine. Automated teller machine enable customers to withdraw money easily without going to the bank. ATMs are connected to the central computer of the bank. ATMs are connected to the central computer of the bank. Now all the ATMs are connected to the central bank. Whenever they are putting the account number, all the money is coming out. With that, all calculation goes to the central computer of the bank. Now computers for weather forecasting. Information about changes in weather and direction of winds is collected and fed into a computer. This data is analyzed and then weather is forecasted. A lot of data is collected from weather stations and satellites. Powerful computers known as supercomputers are used as weather forecasting. Now information about changes in weather and direction of winds is collected and fed into a computer. Now we can calculate the changes in weather. We can see the direction of winds, which side is blowing. The data is analyzed and then weather is forecasted. A lot of data is collected from weather stations and satellites. Powerful computers known as supercomputers are used for weather forecasting. Now up to here we'll study here. So we will go for the previous thing. So I hope this is previous chapter homework. I hope you will submit this one, all these homeworks. It is very easy. Try to find it out. If you have got any type of problem, just tell me. I will help you. Just you find it and you try by yourself. Okay, don't take help of your father, mother, or your brother and sister. Try and don't take help and try by yourself. I hope you will complete the homework and you will show me, and I hope you will study this chapter truly. This chapter is also very easy. If you study whatever I make you understand, if you study properly, this will you will understand. If you get any type of problem, just call me or WhatsApp me. I will help you. So thank you very much.